kufamba ndichitamba vamwe voti ndakatakura kunge kutama heavy mushina kana ndichifamba mandebele bounce heavy like they trying to escape them thongs left right that juicy my go shake got the whole street vamanye bani ndo vapada mbuzo in them pants fat chikiti poking to the fabric mandebele so fat anotamba even the camera still utari sana once machida drip pre-com dino tundi savarume hands free just kuona that way gone roll anzima imakata kura pandastika vote vera nemusoro vorereka goddamn tari some sika uchidona too massive blood collide up every step shaking like jelly in an earthquake I strut past and Nya hypnotize them chicks bouncing up and down like begging to get clapped red kitty so fat it talks when I walk at me if you can my lips like a tota smushing together dripping down thunder thighs varume lose their minds stroke 30 rover kandi tarisa one wing from me and they busting thick ropes all over themselves addicted to that heavy music I swear hanzi musa don't heza mai hanzi mai makata kura pandastika voterera nemusoro vorerera mandebele nyasha msika kuandirwa nevasita you really put your thought on it Mandebele so fat, it got its own address shaking violent when I switch them hips destroying boys focus Muska swallows tongues, hold it clap loud enough to echo weta every day in the room itambene kuyereza I know what I'm doing teasing with that slow walk Mandebele rolling in circles like it's milking an invisible D kutarisa kawana that nasty nyasha varume go nuts balls draining dry shoot mukaka hands free but she wrote about burying their face between them greasy cheeks tongue left that tight booty anzi mai makata kura pandastika vote vera nemusoro vorereka you are my favorite mistake if I could I would eat you like cake every chance I